Hey guys, welcome to Cinematic Tendency, and yes, I am still at the theater, and I just watched the movie The Kingsman. Finally, it was released after being pushed back for COVID and all that stuff. And so my quick thoughts about this movie is that I had a good time with it, but however, I was a little bit nervous during the first 30 or 35 minutes because there is a lot of exposition, and the exposition is kind of slow. I mean, I wasn't like, I don't want to say like I was bored, but I was close to being bored during the first, like I said, 30 35 minutes. But after that, the movie just picks up the pace, and like I said, I had a very good time with it. I want to say that the first Kingsman is my favorite, and this third part is my second favorite, and obviously Kingsman 2, the Golden Circle, I believe, that would be like my less or my least favorite. And yeah, I mean, it has a pretty good pace, but except for the beginning, like I said, it's a lot of exposition, but it's kind of slow exposition. But after that, it picks up the pace. I have to say, around the beginning of the third act, something happens to one character. I don't want to tell you who or what, and I just didn't see that turn coming at all, and I think that was a good thing. I mean, not that happened, but I like to be surprised, because sometimes when the movie is pretty predictable, it's not much fun. But this has like a really unexpected twist, and they have some good moments. They use a lot of music to it, and there's one scene with Rasputin. They use some Russian music during a fight. I really enjoyed that one. And there's another fight that I really like, but you know what? One of the reasons I like this other fight is because there is no music. Actually, there is no sound. Like, they have to fight very quietly, and there is a reason why. So I really enjoyed that quiet fight. So at the end of the day, I had a very good time with this movie, The Kingsman. Yeah, it's a movie that I am going to buy at some point, and I can actually rewatch it like no problem. So that's pretty much my quick thoughts about, or my first impression of The Kingsman. So let me know your thoughts down below if you are gonna see it, or your general thoughts about it. So thank you guys for watching, and it's about 6:30, and I'm about to go and watch The Matrix Resurrection. So I'll see you shortly, and until then, choca la mano.